Hello everyone! How's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I am doing great. Do we see what we're doing today? My Paletteful packs came. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. I do purchase this myself with my own money. So I want to get that out of the way. Let's see what we've got this month. This is March's, What in the what is what? Okay. Holy cannoli, rock and rolly. Alright, so we got blue little thingies here. This is Copic ink. Get out of town. It is opaque white. So, I'm so interested in seeing if this is better than my Dr. P.H. Martin's bleed proof white. It will be interesting to find that out. Ooh. I got some Posca pens. I think these are new color. No. Okay, I have Posca pens already. That green looks about the same green. The yellow I think is the same yellow. The pink, oh, disappointed. I already have these. This blue is different, or this green. I don't have that color, so that must be a new color. The sky color. I don't think I have it. Hold on, wait a minute. No, yeah, yay. So, yeah, okay, so that's a new color. See, so these are Posca pens. Nice. Oh, what? Okay, what is this? What is this? Oh, pastels. Are they, what kind are they though? Are they oil or are they, no, they're oil. They are oil. Isn't that so funny? So 2 videos using oil pastels. Here, we'll read this in just a minute. Oh, and I got a brush and a extra point brush by Robert Simmons. Not bad. A sapphire in a 3 round. So that's not bad. It is very pointy. So that is nice. Nice pointy. Cool. What else do we have? Oh, a sticker that says Posca on it. Alright. We've got the menu card on what all we're getting. And, ooh, texture blackboards. Truly the blackest blackboard on the market. Perfect for pastels, chalk colored pencil, and acrylic paint applicators. Easy portability. Perfect for plain air use. What is that? pH neutral. 8 by 10, 3 of them. Alright. I think that is it. That is in here. I'll just double check. I don't want to throw anything of importance. No, those are just wormies left. Move that over. Alright, so let's check this out. We got Posca Markers, of course. They are so fun. I have learned that you do need to shake these, even if you think you've shook them, like before you use them, especially the white. So I've learned that with these. So, and then, okay, here, Posca Pastel Pencil. These pastel pencils, it doesn't say if they're oil or if they're soft pastels. They kind of fit. I don't know, I'll have to to see. Look, y'all, this little thing, surely this little bottle is not $14. Oh, It can be used as permanent ink surfaces as well as with acrylic, watercolor, and colored pencil. I am going to be interested in knowing how it fares against the Dr. P.H. Martin. And then we have this, the Sapphire Brushes. I'm going to go ahead and wet it and get it ready. Okay, it has Kolinsky hair and synthetic filaments. Delivers the unique painting experience. Lifetime guarantee, y'all. That's why it's 13 bucks. So I'll be interested in knowing about that. Okay, and then the canvases are $10.46. It allows the paint to be applied without fast absorption, so that's nice. Alright, so now I have to think about what I want to do. I might, oh, I don't think I can cut these boards. They're very thick. I mean, they are a board. Holy cannoli, y'all. Look how thick that bad boy is. And this is like chipboard. One side is textured. This has a texture to it, and this side is smooth. So I'm guessing you could do it on either side, whatever side you want. Because I mean, it doesn't say. Oh, textured blackboards. It does say it on there. So, but either side, I would think you could use whatever side you really want to use. I don't know. I could probably get out my big paper cutter, my rotary one that I use to cut chipboard, because I'm probably going to cut that in half. I don't think I'm going to do a big old 8x10. Let's swatch these out though. Let's see. Let me get. I'm just interested in knowing. This came out of something. I don't know. What is it? Tell me. Squirrel box. I just want to know what these are. These are definitely oil. So that's very interesting. I'm not going to open these. The only one I will open is the one I don't have, because I already have these. Okay, it does go over it. But what if I want to do like this, and then do my my little baby oil trick. Oh. To blend it in. Oh, y'all, look! Did you see? Hold on, let me bring you down. I don't think this is oil. I don't know what this is, because this baby oil is not doing what, and I don't think it's the paper. I just don't think that this is oil based. Oil pastels. I'm so wondering what kind of pastels these are. I need to look it up. I mean, other than this, because it doesn't say. It just says, after several years of research, Posca has now launched Pastel Pencils. These pastel pencils have the kind of high quality permanence and pigmentation that you would expect from Posca. The pastel pencils offer a soft, blendable, and expressive way to sketch and paint with the added benefit of a coated body. They are comfortable to hold and mess-free. But what do you blend them with? Because this oil is not working. Not like with other oil pastels. All right, here, look. I'm gonna use the other end that does not have oil on it, and we'll just see. Like, does it blend the same? This is a very perplexing. Okay, it's not blending very well with nothing on it. It blended better with that. Maybe it is oil, because it is blending. Weird. I'm wondering if, let's try something else. Sorry y'all, but this is just tripping me out. What if we used water? Like, what if it's somehow or another, what if it's like a water-based? Nope, that's not doing it. Nope. Okay. So water did nothing. Let's see, where's my blending that I use with my, let me get my blending pencil. If I can find it. Are you it? No, that's my burnisher. We'll see what burnish, this is the burnisher. Sort of, kinda, not really. Alright. Let me find this in the wrong thing. I'll almost need to buy a new one of these. This is what I use with my colored pencil. I think they're a colored pencil, y'all. And they're just calling them a pastel. Because look, that was so much easier than the baby oil, but the baby oil is a little softer. It's just perplexing. I don't know. I still don't know. I still don't know what to make of that. But at least the marker, okay, this was what I used the oil on. The marker can still go over it, so that's nice. Okay, so this is a pretty cool little box. Ooh, that's right. I wanted to try my PH Martin, or not, sorry, my Copic. Okay, it's a little, should I shake it first? Oh my gosh. It has zinc sulfate in it. So don't get it in your eyes, it say. It's Copic, so I'm excited to use this because we all know Copic is like, but it's very, it's almost dry. Look at that. Did y'all see? I think I'm far down as I can go. It's kind of weird. Whoa. That's weird. That is weird. It kind of, see it? And I don't know if it's because kind of like it's kind of like a plastic, you know, some, like if you're trying, like when you try to put alcohol ink onto plastic, how it kind of like, it doesn't quite do. That's exactly what it's doing. That's so weird. Yeah, I had to get my big boy out. It cut it. It was had to use some muscles to do it. That's really thick. That's chipboard almost. I'm pretty sure it is, so. What do I want to do? I think I want to just, I think I just want to play is really all I want to do. So I started off with using the new Posca color, aqua green I think is what they called it, and I kind of wanted to blend it out to make it a sky, but this black board I did not like, I do not like, I probably will not use it again. It just, the marker did not go on it very well. As you see, it's very streaky. And then I tried to use the
pastels. I still cannot figure out what these are. I have no idea. I think maybe using a blending pencil is what you need to use and not oil. I don't think they're oil based. I think they're waxed based, like a colored crayon or a colored pencil. Then I went over it with a cotton ball with oil on it, and as you see, I picked up most of that pigment instead of the pigment blending as I wanted. So I'm not happy with these pastels. I would not, unless you know exactly what you're doing with them, I don't recommend them. Then I wanted to make clouds, so I got the cotton ball and dipped it in the ink and made little clouds. And then I'm like, the sky's too high, let me bring it down. So I just did the same thing pretty much over again. And again, these, just the pastel, or the markers themselves did not work well on this board at all. And see, even I'm trying to blend it and it just won't blend, this pastel. I just, I don't know. But, and then I tried to make a sun up in the left hand corner and that didn't quite work either. So then I just moved on to just playing with the markers. And again, they just chew up the paper. You can't go over them several times because it just chews the paper up and ruins your marker. So just be mindful of that. This ink, it's just so thick, y'all. I did end up adding water and that helped a lot, and it didn't seem to affect the opacity of it. So I highly recommend adding water to use this. See how it just flows then. So but yeah, overall I like most of the things, but just not this paper. This paper is just not, it just doesn't get it for me. It just doesn't work. But I did have fun making this cute little,
But I love the Posca pens. I love this color. I like it a lot. This board, would I use it again? I don't think so. So I'm not a fan of the blackboard. I understand what they were trying to do. Like, it makes things pop normally, but I don't know. And these pastels, I still don't get them. They're almost like a crayon. They just, I don't know. So there we go. That is what is in the Posca Box Premier. I do the Premier pack. I don't do the smaller one. I do the Premier one. It's just a probably, I think, like what, $12 more or something, I think. And you get, more things. But yeah. Still on the fence about this too. $14 for this little 10 milliliters. I know this was not that much. And this is how many? 1 ounce. This is an ounce. 29 milliliters. So this is twice as much, and I know I didn't spend $14 on it. It's just so thick. I mean, it's thick. It's a thick boy. So, and it just, it like bubbles. I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, all right, y'all. Well, thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope it inspired you. And I hope that if you were wondering what the Paletteful pack had in store this month, that this helps you to decide if you want it or not. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Please, if this inspired you, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. That will just help my channel to grow, and I would appreciate it so much. All right, y'all. Y'all be good to one another. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.